What's your brother's name?
Christopher Michael Harry Hall.
What's your name?
William Hall.
What's your middle name? William what?
William Brown Peanut Butter.
No. What's your middle name?
Grandma.
William what?
William Brian Hall.
William Brian Hall. And what's your brother's name?
Christopher.
Christopher what?
Christopher baby brother Hale.
What's Daddy's name?
Michael.
No, that's Pop's name. What's Daddy's name?
John.
What's Mommy's name?
Kelly.
Kelly what?
Kelly Hall.
Kelly Ann. Mommy's name is Kelly Ann. Stop screaming. What do you think about all this, Christopher? Is he crazy, your brother? Is your brother crazy? Stop. Wait till you see how bad you were when you're older.
Yeah.
Mommy's going to show you this when you're a big boy and show you how bad you were.
No.
Yes.
No.
Now stop acting like that with your brother on the bed. What's your brother's name?
Christopher Michael Harry.
Be careful.